The 2025 Sephora Sun Safety Kit is coming soon at Sephora online. So the kit is $39 and has a $194 over that value. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Just a side note, the kit does sell out very fast. A collection of best-selling SPF in a super goop reusable pouch. All proceeds go to Memorial Sloan Kettering Research Center. Find your new favorite sunscreen to complete your skincare routine. This set features a mix of formats and textures, including 3 full-size products from Glow Recipe, Kai Skin, and Beauty Blender, plus a variety of minis and deluxe sizes, all in a super goop pouch to take on the go. The kit will include a 0.16 ounce 5mm Summer Friday Shades Drop SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen, 0.68 ounce 20ml Bioessence Squalene plus Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, 0.17 ounce 5mm Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Tinted SPF, 0.68 ounce 20mm Super Goop Glow Screen Golden Hour SPF 40, 1 ounce 30mm Super Goop Play Everyday Body Lotion SPF 50, 0.33 ounce 10ml Innisfree Daily UV SPF 36, 0.35 ounce 10 gram K-Skin Isle Lip SPF 30 full size, 0.5 ounce 15mm K's Silks 1851 Better Screen SPF 50, 0.17 ounce 5mm Tatcha The Silk Sunscreen SPF 30, 0.33 ounce 10mm Lancome UV Expert Defense SPF 50 plus, 0.58 ounce 16.5 gram Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Balm SPF 45 stick full size, 0.14 ounce 4 gram Beauty Blender Nude full size, 0.24 ounce 7ml All Physical Ultimate Defense SPF 50 plus, 0.5 ounce 15mm Ultraviolet Supreme Screen SPF 50. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.